From the heart of Kokrajhar, the Sai Stadium is buzzing for this last Group D encounter in the Indian Oil Touran Cup 2025. And as the noise swells to a storm, Bodoland FC, in front of their home faithfuls, and ITBP, with their season on the line, 90 minutes ahead, one will celebrate. Bodoland FC unbeaten, 6 points from 2 games. Just a draw tonight will take them through. But for ITBP football team, sitting second with only 4 points, clear, the tension almost unbearable. The Sai Stadium stands in full voice, a stage dressed for destiny. For Bodoland FC, this is more than a game. It is the doorway to tomorrow. And for ITBP, new to this ancient tournament, it is the chance to etch a first chapter. Like the 4 foreigners, a few raw talents from the region in their ranks. They've developed a very strong scouting network as well. Robinson, good ball in. Just couldn't adjust his body well enough.
Yeah, good link-up play between Junior and Robinson once again.
Here is Robinson. Past the first man, couldn't get past the second. Pedro steps in. Oh, and Pedro from distance. And that wasn't too far away. But ITBP, a good opening, chance creation, but falters in conversion. Unbelievable stuff. Surajit Pradhani cannot believe it. Pranjal Bhumij urging that run from Junior. Into his stride, Junior pulls it back, shot comes in, just wide. Deep lying midfielder getting into scoring positions. A free kick conceded now by ITBP. 120 goals so far from 35 games. Could be the 121th, and here it is. It arrives in style. The most unlikeliest of goal scorer. He's made amends of that previous chance. Is Timothy Narzari on the score sheet. And the crowd erupts in full volume.
A terrific delivery from a set piece. We've seen it time and time again. He's just put it on an absolute plate. And Timothy, from even closer than the chance he just missed moments earlier, makes absolutely no mistake. I think it's just skipped off of his hand into the goal. He got there, but just couldn't keep it out of the goal. And Timothy, what better way to make up for that miss just moments earlier than to get your first goal of the tournament.
4th goal of their campaign. There's Abdul inside the box. A clever glance into the side netting. No one closing him down, having the freedom of the pitch. Gary once more on the end of it. The delivery not up to the mark. He'll get another bite on the cherry. This time it's lofted, and Pedro was making that run. But the referee has pointed to the spot.
It looked as if one of the defenders just got himself on the wrong side and had to sort of pull the Bodoland player down and given away a penalty that's going to make it very, very difficult now for ITBP to get back into this game.
Pedro, the provider, turns the goal scorer, drilled into the bottom corner. The man from Spain with splendor. Wrapped his boot around the ball, slots it into the bottom corner, an area even the best goalkeepers can't get there. Even though he did judge it right, but he increased the pace on the ball. Pedro, unfazed under pressure.
Yeah, that's what's impressive to see about this Bodoland side. It's the rotation of their midfield three at the times when...
And a clever release through the legs. They rush into a 3-0 lead. Jijom Sarkayari this time.
You look at the number of players from that Bodoland side that touched the ball in that sequence of attack, and ending with a player who's started on the left wing, and this is exactly what we're talking about his movement. You know, forward drops short, and he fills the space of Robinson, and he finished it as well as Robinson would do. And that's what we wanted to see from this young lad, showing them and fulfilling that potential.
One more surge developing. This time it's Pranjal. went for placement, draws a save of Yogesh Lama.
A nice save for the cameras.
Nullified. And the flag has stayed down. No, it hasn't. The assistant took his time in raising it. Pranjal dropping deep. The youth development in this region is fostered through tournaments such as the Sujit Nazari Under-13 Inter-District Championship, promoting participation and talent recognition. Good save at the near post. Gayari onto his strong right foot. Denied this time by Yogesh Lama. Oh, could be a giveaway. A 50-50 situation. Defense unsettled. Blasting it over. Shankar. Throw in. Nabin Rabha has put in a very good shift tonight. And now unmarked, unchallenged. The offside flag is up against Junior. Great dummy. Nabin sets up for Junior. Good save from the goalkeeper. Kept his eyes on the ball. Never easy. The intensity of the rain, playing under floodlights, but good work from Yogesh Lama. Oh, delivered towards the far post. Back into the mix. It has gone in. Goal number 4 for Bodoland FC. The centre back this time, Abdul Samad, contributes to the party.
A few times and tried to get himself in goal scoring position. Once again, Lopez with the corner, keeper punching it away. But in these conditions, all you have to do is hit it into a dangerous area. That's exactly what he did. Just put it back into the danger area, and then got to give credit to the big man, the big defender. Adjusted his body really well to just get the kind of contact he needed to just steer that goal bound. That's what he is. He's Mr. Consistent for Bodoland.
As the clock fades away, one team cries in delight in shadows of dismay. Bodoland FC secure their passage to the quarterfinals of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2025. Victory here is more than 3 points. It is a ticket to glory, a promise fulfilled to the faithfuls in Kokrajhar. Unbeaten and unyielding, they have stamped their authority on Group D and now look ahead to the battles yet to come.